because if it gets out of the way. Hands on pull. Is it tough to see the Dodgers win being a Giants fan? Pull.